Hey Cheryl, hey Jay, how you doing? Leo, Rona from Rona Marketing. I wanted to shoot over this quick video, and it's got some tips and tricks that you can actually do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and they're educational. Now, as you see, I got your amazing, beautiful website pulled up here. Very clean. Uh, Great pictures. Love the way the website flows on here. Great picture. Um, and I really love the Foley Vision Center logo. It's awesome. Now, looking at this website, one of my biggest suggestions would be to add more content because Google loves content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on your homepage. And throughout the content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in your searches. And a keyword is basically the service that you provide and the location that you provide that service. Now, another good thing that you can do is you can actually save photos and videos as keywords. Vision man, that could be optometrist, Eugene, Oregon. Instead of this one, when you go to save, it says woman. You could have eye doctor, Eugene, Oregon in here. So what happens is 24/7 Google bots crawl these sites. They're trying to see what the website's about, what kind of services you provide, and they don't see these beautiful photos on here. They only see what is behind them. So this will be woman and the man, the eye. So whatever they're saved as is what the bots see. So that's another opportunity that you have to actually have more keywords on your home page. Now, like, you got your click to call up here. That's really good because sometimes people don't care about the website. They want to get in here and make that call, and that's totally fine. You've got that taken care of up here at the top. One thing I would suggest, normally I'll add a form submit up here as well. Some people are shy. They don't want to talk on the phone. They'd rather just throw in a form up here. So you can do that as well. Now you can request an appointment. But the less steps that the client has to take, the better for them. Now, what I've done is I've actually taken your website and I've put it in a tool I use called Eris, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is the DR and UR. This is the trust of your website, and this is the strength of your website. Now, this is out of 100, so you want to try to keep these balanced and continuously moving up. You've got 166 backlinks and 47 referring domains. And if you're not sure what a backlink is, it's just one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you want to really make sure if you're getting backlinks that you're getting backlinks that has a big amount of authority behind them. I would rather have 166 high profile backlinks than 1,000 spammy backlinks, because that's going to get you in a lot of trouble, and it's not going to make your website bring in as much traffic as you'd like. Now, right now you're being found for 477 keywords, and that's bringing 866 people to your website each month. It looks like the temperature is what's really driving the traffic right now. So it's either temperature or they're already searching for you. So it's like skincare. What I like to see added on here would be something like these. So these are the keywords. These are people that searching that knows that what they're looking for. So if you have optometrist Eugene on your homepage, if you're looking for the best optometrist Eugene, Oregon has to offer, give us a call at Foley Vision Center. If you have that sentence on your homepage and you bold the optometrist Eugene, it's going to direct the bots to that. They're going to see it, and they're going to know that there's 250 people searching that each month. When someone searches that, your website's going to get a ding. The more dings you're getting off those searches, the higher it's going to push you up. Looks like you're getting 6 people to your website a month for that. You know, depend on how many calls you get versus how many times that you actually schedule that appointment. That's going to determine the percentage that you actually close these clients coming in through to you. Now, what I've done is use one of the top keywords. Eugene Eye Doctors. And normally you'll see some ads up here at the top. If people's running ads, Google guaranteed. Then you've got your map pack down here. This is where you want to be. You want to be in these top three, because these top three really take the king share of the searches. You're not in this top three right now, and that's totally fine, because there's several ways that we can get you there. You make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Every time a patient comes in, I can make you a QR code totally free. Let me know if you need one. If you don't have it, I can send it to you. You can have it right there at your desk whenever they leave. They can scan it, leave you a great review, put it on your invoices. They can scan it from there, leave you a review. Another thing is to make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, because you don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section. You want to make sure that you get that filled out completely. And also you want to make sure that you're adding some keywords in there as well. So that About Us section is a good opportunity to tell people what you do, where you do it at, things like that. Because some people don't go down to organics. They go to the map pack. They want to come read your reviews. They want to read your little About Us section. And Google really likes to see you utilizing all the things that they have. They want to see you using their Q&A section. They want to make sure you're using the About Us section. You want to make sure that you're getting photos in here, because you can optimize these photos. Right click, go to properties. You can change the title, the subject. You can add your keywords in there. And that's what a lot of people don't do when it comes to their Google business profile, because it's time consuming. You know, it takes 5-7 minutes to optimize a single photo. So a lot of times people think that they just throw the photos on here and that's good, but you can actually throw a photo on there and have it optimized, and it'll be even better. Again, with the About Us section, make sure you throw some keywords in there as well, because when people are searching it, it'll pop this Google business profile up there in front of them. And make sure that you're adding citations with your business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that, because honestly, Google's just a big popularity contest. So by giving your information out to as many directories as possible, it will start to make Google trust you more, and it'll boost your business not only in your area, but in the surrounding areas as well. Now, being in this map pack is going to give you 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website. They're going to give you a call from there. Now, up underneath here is organics. Now, as you see, organics is Eugene Eye Clinic. They're #1 in the organic section. They've got their website pulled up here. And as you can see, they don't have any content on their homepage. So just by adding and implementing, having more content on your website than theirs, you can outrank them while adding your backlinks and things like that as well. Now, what I've done is pulled up some keywords for you that you could actually have in your content. And there's really good volume here. I mean, 450, 450, 250, 200, 200, 200. There is great volume, and this is exactly what you do and where you do it at. Every one of these keywords are local to you. Now, some of these, temperature treatment is a national keyword because it doesn't tell where it's at. You know, anybody in America can search this and they can find your website essentially. But with these localized keywords, if someone's in Eugene searching for eyeglasses and it's on your website, you're going to get that traffic. Cheryl, Jay, it was a pleasure meeting you two. I had a great time. I enjoyed sitting with you all in classes and when we was out eating. Hope I wasn't too much for y'all to handle, but y'all was awesome. Y'all was great. We had great conversations. I hope this was helpful for you all. I'd love to hear some feedback about it. Again, I think your website's great. It seems like you got good traffic. Your keywords are doing really well. Maybe add some more content on there. If you needed some help with that Google Business Profile, I could definitely help you out there. If you don't have time to manage it yourself, I'd definitely be up for it. But the main goal of this was just to show you some tips and tricks on things that you can actually do for your website and your Google business profile that would help you out. Again, my name is Leo from Rona Marketing. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Hope to hear from you soon. Y'all have a great day.